Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make a complete graph. So as you can see here, I have a set of data of a frequency versus 1 over the wavelength. Now this graph is not complete because units are missing, a title is missing, and I have also to check whether the range here of the points is correct. The first thing I'm going to do is to put the units. I'm going to double click on each column and put the units into this column. So in this case it's a frequency. The units of the frequency it's hertz. Automatically I'm going to have hertz here. And then 1 over lambda, actually I called it 1 over the wavelength, and probably on the graph it's better to see 1 over lambda. The unit is a meter to the power of -1, so I need to take superscript minus superscript 1 and done. And here I'm gonna have the correct units both in the x and the y axis. The other thing I can check here is that the range is going to show properly all the points, and it seems that we are seeing all the points right now. Another thing that we need to check is that the cursor here in the left bottom corner doesn't appear. So we're going to double click and untick this mouse position. Also check that the connection points here is unticked. This is because we don't want the points connected. The last thing in this window is to write a title for the graph. So we can write speed of sound or any other titles that is good for the assignment. Once I've done this, the graph is complete and I can take a screenshot of it. So I go to my Word file, for example an assignment, and I click Insert, Screenshot. And when I go to Screenshot, I select a screen clipping. I go here and I can take a screenshot only of the graph. And I do it kind of precisely, and a graph is going to appear here. Now this is a very nice graph. I have to right click and insert a caption. Here I already have a figure above, so this becomes figure 2, and I will write the graph represents the data of the experiment. On the x-axis, there is the inverse of the wavelength, and on the y-axis, we have the frequency. The slope of the line corresponds to the sound speed. In this way, the graph is complete with a caption, with units, and it's perfect as a raw data graph.